popping. It's weekday, so let's check out the nightlife here. Which is the Yakitori place in Ueno. I'm about to try some Yakitori, which is the chicken skewers. The chicken skewers. So I hope it's really good. Alright, here's our table. Wow. Look at all these people. Let's check out the menu here. Obviously I can't read any of this, but here's the English and Korean menu. I think we're gonna get the combinations, the 5-stick combinations, yes. Alright, oh my god, the food just came out. So this one is the tare, which is the soy sauce based sauce. And right here is the shio, which is the slightly salted for seasoning. Itadakimasu. I'm gonna try the skin first. Skin. Oh my god. Oh, it's good. Here's a light crisp outside. Really? Okay. Oh. Shio's better. I feel like shio's much better. 너무 고소해. Oh my god. Oh.